Man, first time ever on a private jet. This is 12 years in the making, 14 years in the making. This is just the beginning. Let's go.
What's up, guys? It's Vinny. Come on, guys. Camera crew, come follow me. Hop in the car. All right, so we're about to go check out the jets right now. Going on, you can see there's a lot of people on the tarmac today. We have a private jet quick flight, and we're going to do some content. This will be some stuff coverage for websites, for press articles that need to be done for us and the team. I'm not a big fan of private jets. I like big planes. There's real private jets you hear. There's more turbulence, but everyone else likes to do it for the content and for the flex. I like to be on the big ass jumbo 3-row seat planes, but that's just that. Cedric and Dorian, they'll fall over now. We're about to go scoop Cedric. He just pulled up in the Porsche. About to go grab him, pull him around the back of the FBO, the private airport, and then pull right onto the tarmac and get some content. Yo, my boy looking fresh. What's good?
Y'all ready?
We're about to pull up, take the back route, so just follow us and we'll be good to go. Let's go.
I think we said
At the, was that Art Basel event? Yeah.
I told you we had the meeting, bro. Hey, we moving quick, man.
That's why I love doing business with
Yeah,
people like you.
it's about relationships, bro. Relationships and moving fast and trust. For sure, all about the trust. We're going to North Carolina. We changed it to just a day trip because everybody's busy, you know what I'm saying? So fuck a vacation, bro. It's 2025. Yeah, fuck the vacation, bro. I'm like, hell no. Fuck that. Like, so we're doing something real quick, doing dinner, whatever. You're still invited to come, bro. 17th through the 18th, so it's next week. You're more than welcome to come. This is 12 years in the making, 14 years in the making. This is just the beginning. We got a jet today, jet next week, 2 jets next week. We applying pressure all 2025, baby. Let's go. Yo, what's up? What's up, man? Hey, we touching down the 17th, baby.
We're coming to see you.
He said, you see what's going on.
We're gonna come, so dinner, set that up. Obviously, we do obviously go out, and then drinks for the fellas.
Yeah, tables, everything. We need all that.
Some business stuff, so you guys can collab on some stuff too.